By the way, it's icing out here. And when I say icing, I didn't think it was cold enough to be freezing today. I thought it was going to be a warmer day, but it is cold enough so that I'm standing on ice right now. And this is all frozenated ice. And so my little step over here to get in my garage is all ice. And I don't know if we were talking about falling on ice or watching a video of people falling on ice or something the other day, but I broke some ribs falling on ice before, and it ain't that much fun. I mean, it's way overrated. I wouldn't recommend, I wouldn't try it if I were into y'all. Don't go falling on stuff just trying to impress me, because even though it's kind of fun to watch, the end results can be quite negative. So I'm going to try to avoid falling today my own self. So I don't think it's good for your character, or I don't think it builds high morals or turns you into a better person or any of those things. So the first thing I need is a little place to work. I brought this truck out here with me. By the way, I got me one of the new fancy dancy air chucks with the gauge on it. I'm going to set that up here after a while, but I'm going to clean off a little space here and just set this truck here. And then we're going to do I'm going to do some searching, because I've got hole cutters. Oh, look at that. Now this hole cutter is darn close. I suspect though that it's a little small. Let's see if we got a bigger one. Yeah. Now there's a hole cutter right there. It's a different type, but I believe it might be a bigger one. I bet that one right there would cut the right size tire. That's kind of a weirdly made one. It might work. Oh, it has little saw teeth on it. Ain't that cute? Okay, I'm gonna go out here in the freezing, dangerous, cold, wet area. I could use a piece of that. I could use some of this, because I have some of that. I have some more of that back here, I think. Back here in the dark recesses of the back property. Back in here somewhere. Yeah, there's some little pieces over in there. Let me turn on some more lights. Ooh, the joy. See, there's a little piece right in here. If I cut that up for tires, I wouldn't be wasting a big piece, and I could sit that right up on top of something like that, and then do my drilling sort of down into that, and that would work. Yeah. Let me set y'all up on something and get me a drill. Y'all see me there? No, you're looking the right way. If you're going to watch me, you have to watch in the right direction. I ain't over there, I'm over there. Jeez Louise. Y'all kind of sit up straight and pay attention for what? And old me. Always something. last long, did it? It is. Alrighty then. Let's see what we have to do to get that out of there. Ooh. It's coming out good. Okay. Okay. Now, this is not as fat as I would want it to be for a tire, but I could cut two of them, put them side by side. Now, to put a washer around the edge, which would make it look like a hubcap, let me get a piece of welding rod, because I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you kind of what I have in mind for this here.